Stop letting your breakfast sabotage your weight loss goals. That morning sugar rush? It's setting you up for cravings and energy crashes. The secret isn't eating less for breakfast, it's eating more protein. Protein keeps you full, satisfied, and energized until lunch. Today, I'm giving you 5 high-protein breakfasts that take less than 5 minutes to make. Forget boring diet breakfasts. These are quick, delicious, and will change your mornings for good. Let's get into it. Alright, let's dive into our first recipe. It's the upgraded yogurt bowl. This isn't just any yogurt bowl, it's a powerhouse of nutrients designed to kickstart your metabolism and keep you feeling full and energized for hours. We're talking about a breakfast that not only tastes amazing but also actively supports your weight loss goals. It's a classic, but better. We've taken the humble yogurt bowl and elevated it to a new level of deliciousness and nutritional value. Forget those sugary cereals and processed breakfast bars. This is real food, packed with goodness. The foundation of our upgraded bowl is full-fat Greek yogurt. We choose this specifically for its high protein content and healthy fats. Protein is crucial for satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing the urge to snack between meals. The healthy fats contribute to overall well-being and hormone balance. Next, we add a generous handful of mixed berries. Whether you opt for fresh, bursting with flavor berries or convenient frozen ones, the choice is yours. Both are fantastic options. Berries are nutritional powerhouses, providing a wealth of fiber and antioxidants. Fiber aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, while antioxidants protect your cells from damage and combat inflammation. Now, let's sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds pack a serious punch, offering extra fiber and those all-important omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. To finish it off, top with a sprinkle of chopped walnuts. Walnuts add a delightful crunch and provide even more healthy fats. These fats are not only good for you but also contribute to that feeling of fullness and satisfaction. The result? This bowl clocks in at around 380 calories, and it packs a whopping 30 grams of protein. That's a significant amount of protein to fuel your morning and keep you feeling satisfied until lunchtime. This combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats works synergistically to keep your blood sugar levels stable. This helps prevent those energy crashes and keeps those pesky cravings at bay. No more mid-morning sugar cravings. The best part? It takes just 2 minutes to make. It's as simple as scoop, sprinkle, and enjoy. A truly effortless way to nourish your body. To make your mornings even faster, prep your dry toppings ahead of time. Portion out your chia seeds and walnuts into small containers for even faster mornings. This simple step can save you valuable time during the week. Remember, eating for weight loss doesn't have to mean deprivation. It can be abundant, it can be colorful, and incredibly satisfying. This yogurt bowl is proof that healthy eating can be a joyful and delicious experience. So give the upgraded yogurt bowl a try. Fuel your body with the nutrients it needs, and start your day right. You deserve it. Next, the 2-minute Savory Cottage cheese bowl for savory breakfast lovers. Use full-fat cottage cheese, loaded with slow-digesting casein protein. Top with everything bagel seasoning for flavor and crunch. Add sliced cherry tomatoes for freshness and balance. Finish with fresh chives for a gourmet touch. Creamy cheese, crunchy seasoning, juicy tomatoes. So much flavor. Only 250 calories and 28 grams of protein. It's nutrient-dense, filling, and takes under 2 minutes to make. Perfect for busy mornings. Just assemble and eat. Give cottage cheese another chance. It's delicious and satisfying. The ultimate quick, savory breakfast. For smoothie fans everywhere, those who love the convenience and the health benefits but sometimes struggle with the daily preparation, meet the Blender Bomb Smoothie, your new secret weapon for a quick, easy, and incredibly nutritious start to your day. This isn't just another smoothie recipe, it's a game changer. It's your grab-and-go solution, your ultimate breakfast hack. Say goodbye to rushed mornings and hello to a seamless, healthy routine. The magic starts on Sunday. Dedicate just a few minutes to prep 5 freezer bags, setting yourself up for a week of breakfast success. Begin with a generous handful of spinach in each bag. Don't worry, you won't taste it, but you'll reap all the incredible health benefits. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals. Next, add a scoop of your favorite vanilla protein powder. Vanilla adds a touch of sweetness and complements the other ingredients perfectly. The protein will keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Finally, toss in half a frozen banana. Freezing the banana beforehand is key to achieving that perfect creamy texture we all crave in a smoothie. Each morning when you're ready for your breakfast, simply dump the contents of one bag into your blender. It's that easy. No measuring, no fuss. Then, add your favorite milk. Almond milk is a great low-calorie option, but feel free to use any milk you prefer. Oat milk, soy milk, or even regular dairy milk, all work well. Adjust the amount of liquid to reach your desired consistency. Now blitz it all together until smooth and creamy. Depending on your blender, this should only take about 60 seconds. The beauty of this recipe is that the spinach adds a wealth of nutrients without affecting the flavor. It's a sneaky way to get your greens in. The protein powder is crucial for keeping you full and satisfied, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes and cravings. And the frozen banana? It's the secret ingredient that transforms this smoothie into a creamy, dreamy delight. With the Blender Bomb smoothie, there's no morning mess to clean up and no difficult decisions to make. It's just blend and go. Pour it into a glass or a to-go cup, and you're ready to conquer the day. Each smoothie clocks in at approximately 300 calories, making it a light yet satisfying meal, and boasts an impressive 25 grams of protein, essential for muscle repair and overall health. It's incredibly hydrating, replenishing your fluids and keeping you feeling refreshed. It's filling, providing sustained energy to power you through your morning. And most importantly, it effectively crushes those mid-morning cravings that can derail your healthy eating habits. By prepping ahead, you're making healthy choices automatic, removing the temptation to grab something unhealthy when you're short on time. With the Blender Bomb smoothie, there are no more excuses for skipping breakfast. You've got a delicious, nutritious, and convenient option ready to go. So give the Blender Bombs a try. Commit to a week of effortless, nutritious mornings and experience the difference it makes in your energy levels and overall well-being. Your healthy breakfast, sorted in seconds, setting you up for a successful day, every day. Do you ever find yourself craving something sweet, decadent, and utterly satisfying? Perhaps even for breakfast? We all have those mornings where a healthy start feels a little less appealing than a treat. Well, say hello to the no-cook protein pudding. It's the answer to your sweet cravings, packed with protein and incredibly easy to make. The magic happens the night before, with just a few simple steps. Start by mixing a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Chocolate is a classic, but feel free to experiment with vanilla, cookies and cream, or any flavor that tickles your fancy. Next, add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. They're also the key to that perfect pudding-like consistency. Now, pour in 200 milliliters of almond milk. You can use any milk you prefer. Dairy, soy, oat, or coconut milk all work well. Almond milk keeps it light and adds a subtle nutty flavor. Combine all these ingredients in a jar, preferably one with a lid for easy shaking and storage. A mason jar works perfectly. Seal the jar tightly and shake well, ensuring all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. This is crucial for even distribution and optimal thickening. Place the jar in the refrigerator overnight or for at least a few hours. This allows the chia seeds to absorb the liquid and create that signature pudding texture. By morning, you'll be greeted with a delightful transformation. The mixture will have thickened into a luscious, creamy, pudding-like breakfast that's ready to devour. Now for the fun part, toppings. We love to top ours with fresh raspberries or a few dark chocolate chips for an extra touch of indulgence. The possibilities are endless. Add your favorite fruits, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey for extra flavor. Each serving clocks in at around 350 calories, making it a guilt-free treat. And with a whopping 30 grams of protein, it's sure to keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. It's both filling and indulgent, the perfect combination for a healthy and happy start to your day. The best part? No cooking required, no fuss, no mess, just pure breakfast bliss. It's the ultimate grab-and-go breakfast. Perfect for those busy mornings when you're rushing out the door. It's also ideal for those moments when you crave something sweet and satisfying. But you also want to keep things healthy and nutritious. For ultimate convenience, prep several jars for the entire week. This is a game changer for meal prepping. With a week's worth of delicious protein pudding ready to go, you'll never have to skip breakfast again. So go ahead and satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt, and fuel your day with a protein-packed breakfast that tastes like dessert. The no-cook protein pudding, it's not just a breakfast, it's a game changer for your mornings and your health. Last up, 60-second breakfast tacos. A hot, savory option in no time. Use 2 low-carb tortillas as your base. Warm tortillas in the microwave for 20 seconds. Fill with pre-cooked scrambled eggs or microwave liquid egg whites for a minute. Top with a sprinkle of cheese, let it melt for extra flavor. Add hot sauce if you like a kick. Each serving about 320 calories and 28 grams of protein. Protein from eggs and cheese, fiber from tortillas, super satisfying. Assemble, fold, and you're out the door. Healthy eating doesn't have to be slow or boring. Try these tacos for a fast, filling breakfast. That's your week of fat loss breakfast planned, prepped, and ready. Sweet, savory, grab and go, and even dessert all high protein, all under 5 minutes. Start your day strong and set yourself up for success. Pick your favorite or try a new one each day. Subscribe for more simple, effective tips, and let us know your go-to breakfast in the comments. Keep up the great work. And as always, check the description area of this video for any free help we may have for you. May God bless you.